This is an example of the angle addition postulate being applied to a basic problem. In this problem, we are told that we need to find the measure of angle WDC if the measure of angle EDC equals 145 degrees and the measure of angle EDW equals 61 degrees. So what we want to do is break things down. I know that I need to find WDC. This here is WDC. I know that EDC is 145 degrees. That's my larger angle. And I know that angle EDW is 61 degrees. EDW is our other small angle. So if I'm looking at the angle addition postulate, the measure of angle EDW plus the measure of angle WDC equals the measure of angle EDC. So now I replace. So I know that EDW, as given in my problem setup, highlighted in blue, is 61 degrees. I do not know the measure of angle WDC. That is what I am looking for. But I do know that EDC was given as 145 degrees. So I will replace EDC with 145 degrees. And now I just need to solve for WDC as I would an algebraic equation by subtracting 61. That allows me to get the measure of angle WDC alone, aka solve for it. When I subtract 61 from 145, I will get 84. So now I know that the measure of angle WDC equals 84 degrees. Let's clean that up a little bit. Make it look a little bit nicer. So when I'm writing on a screen, I want to make sure that it's legible. That's very important. So I know that the measure of angle WDC equals 84 degrees. So I have found my answer. I will indicate that this is my answer by putting it into a box. And I have used the angle addition postulate to solve a problem.